welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose. So for today's video, I'm going to be creating this look here. I wanted to play with pastels and gems. So I'm going to show you guys another super duper easy editorial high fashion look. And that is using pastels and gems and obviously a big old lash. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, be sure to stay tuned and keep watching. But before we get into that, the whole video and whatnot, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on post notifications to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let's chat down below. And also, I am going to ask for a huge favor from you guys. If you can please leave me a testimonial on the Sephora Squad partnership application that I have entered. I will have the link down below. It's pretty much a partnership with Sephora, and all they pretty much want to know is what kind of influencer I am, kind of get an idea of what kind of influencer I am, how I may inspire you, and all that good stuff, and how you can connect with me and everything. And that's just pretty much a way to help boost my application, and it betters the chances of me getting chosen. So I would greatly appreciate it if you can do that for me. And yeah, enough talking, let's get to this video. Alright you guys, so we are very up close and personal. I don't know, I feel like I needed a change and I don't even have a mirror. So first things first, we're going to start off with brows, and I'm going to go ahead and just brush these bad boys up. I'm actually letting my brows grow out. If you guys know, I actually shaved off the tails of my brows, but I kind of miss the fullness. So yeah, I'm letting them grow out. So what I'm going to be taking today for brows is the ABH Brow Definer, and I'm going to be taking the shade Medium Brown. This is what it looks like here. So I am going to just kind of draw the bottom portion of the brow. I'm not really going to fill it in. I just want to get the outline of the brow. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take just a little bit and kind of run it through the brows. I want to get the fluffy brow look, so I'm going to be very light-handed as far as like actually filling in the brow, and I do want the brows to kind of just stay up. So this is what we have. I know they look hella crazy, but don't worry, they're gonna look better. So next, I am going to be using the Ardell Stroke a Brow Feathering pen in the shade Medium Brown. I actually just got this, and it's pretty much a brow pen where you can create hair-like strokes as such, as you guys can see. And I'm pretty much going to use this to kind of fill in those gaps and create natural hair-like strokes, especially like in the front of the brow, where I have like no hair at all. Okay, not mad at that. Okay, so I'm going to take my P. Louise Base and Rumor 2, and I'm going to use this to clean up the bottom part of the brow and also set the eyes. Okay, so for today's look, I want to do something that's very editorial. I want to use some pastels, but I also want to use kind of some blings, some gems. I love like fashion forward editorial looks. So I have this look in my head that I've been wanting to do. It's just like I got inspired from another look where it was just kind of like blown out colors from the eyes into the blush, and then it was like freckles, and then like a glossy nude lip. So just ideas kind of just popped up into my head, and today I was just kind of like, ooh, what if I do this? So I'm gonna do this look and hopefully it comes out good, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be super upset. super upset. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe 35i Icy Fantasy palette because it has a whole bunch of pastels, and I'm going to be using some gems that I got from Amazon. I believe they're like nail gems or something like that. So first thing I'm going to go in with is this nude shade here, and I'm going to apply this more so into the center portion of the eye, anywhere where it's going to be like bare. Like I'm not gonna really apply anything. So just to kind of set the P. Louise base a little bit, I'm just gonna apply like right here, and then bringing that up into the brow bone. So like just mainly focusing it right into the center, because I'm not really gonna apply anything in that area. So I hope you guys like these type of videos that I am doing. I want to be able to, because I feel like a lot of people really do love creative looks and editorial style looks or fashion runway looks, but they're so scared that they can't recreate these types of looks. So I want to, since I do love those styles of makeup, I want to be able to create those looks for you guys and show you guys how easy some of these looks are. Really, like, you're able to do them, anyone can do them. So I hope you guys find these videos helpful and you guys do enjoy them. If you do, just let me know down in the comment section, and give this video a huge thumbs up, because by doing that, I know that this is the type of content that you guys are, enjoying and stuff. So yes, please let me know. So I kind of want to do, I feel like I want to do greens and purples, or greens and blue. Or maybe I should just do green. You know what? I'm just going to do green. So I'm going to take these two greens. Okay. I'm going to take these two greens. So this one's a little tad darker than this one. So I'm going to be using those two. And I'm going to go ahead with the darker one first. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start this in the outer corner. And I'm just going to press them there first. Now, and then what I'm going to do is, ooh, is this a little darker? No. I wish, okay, I'm going to have to look for like a darker green, because I do kind of want to add a little bit of definition, or should I not? Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Alright, so I'm just going to go in and use that shade right here as well. Guys, I have my allergies and it's just like, oh, a hot mess. So just bringing this up, and I'm not going to use the pale shade in this part. I'm just going to leave it just like that, because I want to really make this side a little bit more like hollow, as you guys can see. And then just a little bit, kind of like add it right here, that pale green. Boom. have that. I'm going to take this shade right here. It's like a glittery green. I'm just gonna pick some up on the brush and then apply it. Whoa, not my hand. Apply it like right there. That is so cute. That's such a cute shade. Okay, so I love how this is coming out. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side really quickly. Okay, so we are gonna go on with the base. So I'm trying something new from Morphe. This is their priming beauty oil. This is what it looks like here. I just got this from Sephora, so drops. I think I'm just gonna do this mainly in the scent. I'm gonna focus that mainly in this area here. So I try to get the most dryness. Okay. I wonder if they're like hoping that is gonna be like, what is it called? The Smashbox priming oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this right here in the T-zone area. You know what I didn't do with that oil? I didn't do like a patch test, so I hope it doesn't break my skin out, because I'm gonna be super pissed. Super. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and take my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I'm just going to take 1.5 pumps of that. And then apply this all over the face. Go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Peach Corrector. And I'm just going to use this to just correct the under eyes, because your girl does not smudge all that much. Then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium 20 Sand. I'm going to go ahead and just apply this where I normally would. You guys, I was supposed to film like all last weekend and I didn't. So now I'm like catching up with filming and creating looks. Like, I have so much going on that I just didn't want to do anything. Like at all. Did not want to do anything. Alright, so I'm going to take my AVH foundation stick in Almond to cream contour. I'm going to first blend this out with a brush. I'm going to go ahead and use my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush to blend out the contour. I applied for the Sephora Squad. This is my second time doing it. I did it last year as well, but I didn't get in. So I did it again this year just to, you know, like, try again. I feel like this year is my year as a creator to really shine and for people to really see like my whole purpose in this industry, in this community. Like, I'm not just someone who like, you know, just likes to do makeup or whatever. Like, I actually like teaching and connecting with people through makeup. I used to freelance. I don't freelance anymore. I mean, sometimes I do. Like, I have certain people that can come to me and ask me to do their makeup for an event or whatever, and I'll do it with no problem. But they, you know, for the most part, I have not been freelancing because I've really been focusing just on my family and really like just building my brand before I start taking clients again. So I'm not just someone who like, you know, just likes to do makeup. I love teaching. I love helping people feel confident in their skin. Like for me, like I would rather come on the camera without any makeup on. I would rather let you guys see my skin, because not everyone has perfect skin. Like yeah, it's cool to have that, you know, filter type of look or look like an Instagram baddie, but no one looks like that 24/7. Like seriously, like even these YouTubers that do create those type of looks, or you know, you see them look like that online, they do not look like that. I can guarantee you 90% of the time. I don't even look like that 95% of the time. Like, you know, like this is gonna be yellow. Okay, we'll fix it. We'll blend it down there. People understand makeup, understand products, how to do their own makeup, how to create certain looks. Like that's what I'm here for. I'm not here to make you guys feel like you have to look a certain way or be a certain way in order to create a certain look, or you know, for me, like what you see online is not real. It's all about what people want, you know, what people want you to see. For me, I'm fine with just letting you guys see the normal me, you know, because that's how it should be. I feel like that's how it should be. So the skin, so I want the skin to look like fresh. Even though like we're adding products and stuff like that, I wanted to have kind of like that fresh skin, like so like flushed skin and whatever. So I'm gonna take this Baked Blush by e.l.f. in the shade Pinktastic, but this is very like a really nice sheen to it. So I'm actually going to take a highlight brush and we're going to just apply Big Girl as a highlight. Can you see that? Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and just set the face really fast. I'm going to be using my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in the scent Mango Wango. Mango, it's not mango wango. Just to set everything in place. And I do have a coupon code with them, you guys. It is rosevmua. Saves you 30% off on all the products as long as it's not a sale item. Their stuff is super, super good, you guys. Okay. This is what we have. And you know what? I just noticed. Whatever. It's fine. Alright, so I'm gonna take and just comb this through the brows. I did some liner because I don't know, it just feels so weird and looks so weird when I don't have lashes and liner. That's just